Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, since from the release of the Galaxy S22 series, fans were looking forward towards the next S22 FE. But up till now we did not have any information about that particular device. Well, this is going to be finally changing, and today we have got a new leak coming from South Korean media, the ALEC, which give us a detail that the next Galaxy S22 Fan Edition will be cancelled by Samsung. There are two main reasons for the cancellation of the S22 Fan Edition. First is going to be the chip shortage and supply chain issues, and the second one is that the high demand for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So guys, does this mean that the end of the Fan Edition lineup? Well, according to the South Korean media, the ALEC, their sources confirms that there is going to be a plan for the S23 Fan Edition from Samsung next year, as supply chain issues might be more stable next year. In fact, there is already a leaked estimation for how many units Samsung wants to sell regarding the S23 series next year, and they have planned to sell 3 million units for the S23 Fan Edition, 13 million units for the S23 Ultra, 8 million for the standard S23, and 6 million for Galaxy S23 Plus. So once again, this is a leaked prediction estimation for the units, so things can still change, but this confirms that Samsung indeed has a plan for the S23 Fan Edition next year, meaning the end of the Fan Edition is not happening. Okay, moving forward, the official Z Flip 4 and the Fold 4 renders has already been leaked, which confirms the design of the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold and the Flip 4 devices. Honestly, there is no major changes are coming, and I believe that this is going to be a good decision from Samsung because it will help out to lower the price of the device. Although it has some upgrades like a better camera, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, and most importantly, the cheaper price will be definitely a game changer for the foldable lineup from Samsung. And your fans in the US can already reserve a foldable device, watch and buds, and will receive a store credits as a bonus. Last but not the least, Samsung themselves confirms their next Unpacked event that is going to be happening on the August 10, and literally 3 weeks are going to be remaining, and this is going to be true from the leakster John Prosser, which already confirms that this is going to be launching on the August 10th. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I'm super excited for the S23 Fan Edition, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.